Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial and a review using the Gershion Polygel Gel Extension Kit. I bought this kit on Amazon Prime for $85.99. I'm pretty sure you don't want to sit here and listen to me talk and staring at a box, so we'll get started and get right into the video. Please don't forget to comment on my video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. If you want to see how I created this nail look, then please continue watching. So I got this kit off of Amazon and I believe it cost $85.99. So we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna show you what's in the kit. So over here you've got the base coat, the top coat. This is the nail slip solution. You've got two colors over here, some glitter over here, and here's the thing to help you pick up the glitter. I don't know what it's called. You've got the nail applicators in this bag. You've got the nail form as well, just in case you want to take that route. And in here we've got the how-to guide. We've got 4 more colors, the nail file, and we've got the brush over here. I also picked up some separate glitter on Amazon. I don't think I'll be using any glitter today. I feel like I need to practice with the nails before I can go ahead and add glitter. So I actually picked up the nude kit. You'll see the shades in the center. So this is 001, 002, and 003. These are 004, 005, and 006. You get 6 colors in this kit, so that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to follow the guide. The first thing I have to do is file and clean nail surface and edge. So I'm going to take the Gershion file and file down my nail. The next step now is to apply a thin layer of base coat. So this is the base coat that you get in the box. You definitely don't get a nail polish smell. Honestly, I just took a whiff of it. It smells like my dog's pee outside, and I have like interlock on the floor, and after a while it starts to smell. And especially like in the sun, so like now the smell's coming out a lot more. It basically smells like dried up dog pee is what I'm trying to say. I am not a fan of the smell. It does not smell like nail polish. I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds. I have let my nails cure. They are completely dry right now. So I just dumped out the bag to help me find my sizes. Not gonna lie, they don't have the best sizes. It was kind of hard for me to find something that fit my fingers exactly. So here are the 5 that I went with. I'm a size 3, 7, 6, 5, and 9. So again, thumb, index, middle, ring, and pinky. I also grabbed the brush that I'm going to be using. Nail slip solution, the shade 005. I'm going to put some of the nail solution into the lid. You can also use alcohol as the nail slip solution. We're going to squeeze out a little bit and apply it to the nail. Something tells me I'm going to need a lot more. You dip your brush into the solution and you're supposed to shape the gel on the form. So pushing in. Yeah, I figured I didn't grab enough. I'm gonna grab a little bit more. Put it on there. Wet the brush. And start to spread it out. Oh my god, this is so hard to hold. Honestly guys, my honest opinion, this looks like a complete shit show. I really hope this works out, but it's looking really rough right now. I'm gonna apply the mold. Oh my god, I'm so scared. And press it into my fingers. And then try to clean up the edges a little bit. Oh my god, it keeps moving. I'm just gonna go on the underneath and try to smooth that out a little bit more. Oh Lord, help me. I am really worried about how this turned out. I'm gonna cure this for 120 seconds. Okay, so I let it cure for 120 seconds. This is what it looks like. I think it looks like shit, but I really can't tell. So this is like supposed to just pop off. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Do you see that? I mean, okay, so I could have gone thicker in some areas, but you know what? My first nail, I didn't do that bad. Okay, so now you're supposed to cut it and shape it to the length that you want. Okay, this is about the length that I want it. Now we just shape it. Okay guys, check that out. Oh my god, that is awesome. Look at that, guys. Ah. Oh my god. Like, look at that. Can you believe that? I did this. I did this. Oh my god, that's amazing. I'm impressed. I love this. Next, I'm gonna go in with the top coat. Again, this smells like dog piss. Okay, and I'm going to cure it for a minute. Alright guys, this is the finished product for my thumb. I'm going to go ahead and move on to all my other fingers. Probably won't talk, I'll just finish my hand. And I'll be back with a review. So I actually decided that I want to add one little piece of glitter on this nail right there. Okay, I just picked up a little bit. Sit it right there. Okay, I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna pick up this glitter picker-upper. I really don't know what it's called. at how cute it looks. Okay. Top coat. I'm just going to take that top coat again and apply it. Alright guys, this is the final product. I really do like the way it turned out. Clearly, I need some more practice because it was a little hard for me to do, I'm not gonna lie. Let me give you a review on each of the products. Honestly, I'm pretty sure they did what they were supposed to do. It's the smell of it that I don't like. Honestly, it smells like dried up dog piss in the summer. And that is the best way that I could explain what it smells like. Because you use so much product, you sort of go through it really fast, and it's really hard to squeeze out. That's my only issue with it, but I love the shade. I love all the shades I got in my kit. Yeah, because it's a polygel, it's very hard to squeeze out, and I feel like you won't be able to get a lot of use out of this. I like the nail slip solution. It was great when I had a big chunk of it on my nails and I had to slide it off. This did a really good job of removing it and helping it slide on the tip itself. I wish these did come in more sizes. It was really hard to find the right size for my fingers, and I noticed some of my nails, it didn't get all the way to the edge. So that's what I would say is the only issue with these, is they need more selection of sizes. I didn't get to use these, but I really want to. I just feel like I'm not at that level yet where I can just form these and use the gel to do it myself, but I will be using these too, and I just want to practice a bit more with the other ones. The nail file is freaking amazing. The only thing is I don't think it'll last very long. This is just from this sitting, and I feel like it's going to be falling apart soon. Other than that, I absolutely love this kit. Honestly, I'm going to be doing my nails so much more from home, and especially with quarantine, we can't go do our nails anyway. And this is gonna help me save a lot of money because I spend anywhere from like 80 to 100 bucks on my nails a month. So this will help me save my money, which is awesome, and it's so freaking good. It worked really well. Alright guys, that completes my video. I hope you guys like the way these turned out, because I really do. Obviously, I need more practice. I am a beginner. I am not a pro with this. Please don't forget to comment on my video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.